Hi everyone, Sarah here. I have an unboxing for you. I'm just trying to get caught up on everything. I have some canvases that have been piling up. So I have a couple of Diamond Art Club and some other ones to unbox for you guys. So we're going to start with this one. I did already take it out because I was too super excited when this one showed up. So this is from the August 29th new release. It is a round and it is Where the Fun Never Ends by Mandy Manzano. So this is going to be my first Mandy Manzano and it's giant. When I saw this image, I just had to have it. My daughter watched this show a lot and Jonathan kind of watched it. He says he kind of remembers it, but I was watching it with them. So here's the details. Where the Fun Never Ends. It's round with AB 51 by 137 centimeters. Wow. And 55 colors. Crazy. And it looks like we have two DMC codes. Oh, two ABs, which is the Aurora Borealis. And that is the diamonds that have an extra AB coating that make them like rainbow shiny. I can't even fit that in the whole thing. This is going to be crazy. So you're not going to be able to see the entire canvas in one shot. So I'm going to have to scroll it along for you guys. But it is absolutely gorgeous. It's almost as tall as I am. I think it like goes up to my chin. It's amazing. And this is also my first one with two packages of drills. I have not had one with two packages of drills yet, so. I don't know where to start at all because it is just so cool. It has all the characters from the show. These are the two main characters, Jake and Finn. They are so awesome. And then the rainbow is from the unicorn, Randicorn. Right here, Princess Bubblegum. We have the Ice King. Beautiful mountains, so cool. And then Lumpy Space Princess over here. And then Merceline is down at the bottom with her guitar. I think people keep saying this is a bug. Somebody got turned into a bug. And then the he's like a cassette player. I can't remember his name. But so cool. It's going to be absolutely amazing. I cannot wait. I'm so excited about it. Let me hold it up to myself again and tell you actually where. It's like to my nose. Woo! Just knocked over the box. Yeah, it goes to my nose. And I've got cat fur all over it already. The soft backing of the canvas, and I have a black cat because I've like unrolled it to show everyone in the family 500 times. Let's go with the big ones first. So obviously there's going to be lots of 310. I can see one in here, and then there's more in this one. So first we start off with two packages of white, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packages of 310. I don't know what I'm getting myself into. I've never had that before in my life. These colors are going to be so pretty though. Got some blues and greens, navy, beautiful bubblegum pink. These greens are so pretty. More pinks, more blues. Look at that orange. Blues. Here's our first AB. Is 124. It's like a bubblegum pink AB. So beautiful. We'll go back on the canvas and see where that is sprinkled through there. We have 606. That's a really pretty turquoise color there. So that's the first one. So then we have our little bag of 310 there. We have 2 more packages of white, the 3865. Looks like the brown. Here's our other AB. It's 134. It's a beautiful green AB. So gorgeous. There's a white traveler in there. 2 packages of yellow. And more gorgeous. Another 2 of this lighter yellow. So pretty. 783. This is my favorite. 775. Slightly darker. 2 of those. 2 of those. And 2 different greens. Both dark greens. And then the little package. Got some grays. Pinks. Light pink, purple, orange. Really light. More purple. Purple, pink, purple, pink, purple, pink. Green and blue. So let me just put these over here. Now, we have the legend on both sides, obviously. It's a giant legend though, knocking everything over. With 55 colors, it pretty much goes all the way down there. So number 1 and number 2. Number 1 is the pink. So we have some here highlighting her hair on the princess. Obviously on Lumpy Space Princess over here, it's like a pink cloud. There's some in there. And then number 2 is sprinkled all through the green of the rainbow, the green of the hills down here. This stripe of rainbow has some, his backpack. And then again, the stripe of rainbow. And then up here, we do have some pinks in the unicorn and pinks up here. And then of course some greens up here. So it's going to be really, really pretty. I'm not sure when I'm going to get to this one, but it definitely is one that I want to finish and hang up somewhere. I think it's going to be amazing. So cool. I will take a picture holding it up so you can see the entire thing. It's just crazy. Drill field is same for Diamond Art Club. They're all very nice and clear. No issues. Super sparkly. They look pretty even without the drills on there, but you know, it's going to be awesome. Here, let's do that without the glare for you. So cool. I cannot wait. Cannot wait. Alright, so that's it for that one. Where the Fun Never Ends. Check it out on Diamond Art Club. It is out of stock right now, but I'm sure eventually at some point it'll come back on for pre-order if you want to get it, or if you already have and you're just waiting on it. Probably not, because I'm so late. All right, leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks, bye.